Lot number 505 is a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor K-9 unit. This one has a bad motor. The motor is locked up, it does not turn over. It may have been hydrolocked. Either way, the motor is completely jammed up. I'm gonna hit the key so you could hear it. The starter tries to turn it over, but it does nothing. Watch. Motor does not turn over. The miles 99,884, and it's got 8,914 hours. It does not turn at all. It looks like they pulled some stuff out of here. I see this is a part of the brake system has been removed. The intake box has been removed, and everything else appears to be in place as far as I can tell. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches. It shows normal wear and tear. The paint looks fair. It may buff out. It's been sitting for a couple of months, so it does look dirty. It's got 4 matching steel wheels. The tires look good. The body is nice and straight, and that's original black paint. This was not painted over. This one appears to have been a black unit. Even the door jambs and everything is black. So the tires look good. Headlights are dull. It's missing the corner lights. All the emergency equipment has been removed. Now this is a K-9 unit, and it's being sold with the cage. The cage appears to be in good shape. The air intake box is back here. Interior shows normal wear and tear. The driver's seat is torn. The steering wheel is worn. The dashboard is not cracked. Passenger seat looks good. It's just really dirty. It will need a good cleaning inside. And that's all we know. It's being sold as is. This one will need to be towed out of here. No mechanical work will be permitted on site. This is a flex fuel model. It's got a small dent on the rear passenger door. It's an American aluminum accessory cage back here. And some panels may have screw holes from emergency equipment that was removed. Front door panels look good. And that's it. It's lot number 505. It's being sold as is. It's got just under 100,000 miles. And the motor is locked up. It's lot number 505. Good luck.